Can you keep yourself in mute, Priya? Can you mute yourself? All of you sit straight, keep your back straight. Hands in Dhyan Mudra, eyes are closed. We'll do the starting prayer. So inhale, take your arms sideways up. Take it long and full. Exhale to center of the heart. Eyes are closed. Take inhalation. Oh. Together. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om. Inhale, take the hand straight upwards. Exhale, bring it down through the sides. Keep your back straight. Now, we'll do loosening practice. So open your eyes, come to standing position. First, we will do loosening practices. Okay. So what is the first? Jogging, slow jogging. So do slow jogging. Whatever possible you have to do. Now front jogging, which means the thigh will come up. You see the hand? Keep it folded like this. Now jump. Mouth close, mouth close. Again, slow jogging. Mouth close always. Don't breathe through the mouth. Relax. Keep your feet distance. Bring the hands in front, parallel. Fist close, wrist rotation. 1. To observe the wrist. 3. Is it going everywhere? 4. 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on your shoulder. Rotate your shoulder blade. 1. Just go up. 2. Yeah, around a little more upwards. 3. Yeah, that's nice. 4. 5. Change. 1, 2. So what am I doing? Inhaling and exhaling. 3. Inhale, exhale. 4. One more round. 5. Put your hands down. Arm rotations. Both the arms rotate. 1, 2, 3. Big circles. 4, 5. Change. 1, 2. Elbow will not bend. 3. Elbow will not bend. 4, 5. Catch your hands on the waist. Gently push your hips forward. Gently. Rotate your hips. 1, 2. So try to become aware of that. 3. So try not to bend your knees. 4. See, I have to bend sideways, forward and all. 5. Now, I started from here, right? So I finish here. Then change. 1, 2. Feet apart. Priya. 3, 4. One more round. 5. Just a second, I will change the view. Yeah. So till now the hand was on the side of your waist. No? Now move it to the back. So your thumb will be touching. See that? The thumb will touch at the back. Okay. Your leg is same place. Inhale, bend back. Look to the back. Exhale, bend forward. See, the navel has to come first. Inhale, bend back. Like that. Exhale, bend forward. Deeper and deeper. Inhale, so you push your hips and bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Try to bend the body fully. Inhale, bend back, push and look back. Exhale, bend forward. One more time. Inhale, support and bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Then inhale, stand up. Feet together, hands on the knee. Feet together, touch your toes and heels, okay? Knee rotate. 1. So awareness, 2. You have to do it nicely. 3. Take it everywhere, correct? 4. 5. See, quality is important. 1. 2. How do you feel about it? 3. No, not just a physical action. 4. One more round. 5. Now inhale, stand up. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, take your left foot in the air. Ankle rotate. 1. 2. Look straight. 3. There is no need to look at the toe. 5. Reverse. 1. Because if you look at the leg, you will fall down. 3. 4. Because it's a moving body, no? 5. Put your leg down. Take the other leg. Rotate your ankle. 1. To all the joints you have to activate. 3. Correct, Anu here? Yes. 4. Very good. 5. Reverse. 1. 2. Try not to lose the balance. 3. 4. Otherwise, it will get sprained. 5. Leg down. Now, walk to the back. Back of your mat. So I should have about 4 feet distance in front of me. Okay. Put your hands down. Inhaling, take your left foot front. How much? 4 feet. See the distance? Keep the knee straight as of now. Keep both the heel on the floor. Catch your waist. While exhaling, bend both the knee. So the back heel is lifted up. Inhale, straight. Exhale, bend your knees. Both the knees will bend. Inhale, straight, but no kneeling. Exhale, bend. Keep the back knee in the air only. Correct. Inhale, straight. Exhale, bend. One more time. Inhale, straight. And exhale, bend. Stay there. 1. Smiling is not there. 2. Only action. 3. What is the distance? 2 feet. 4. I said 4 feet, no? 5. Inhale, straight. Exhale, walk forward. Put your hands down. Inhale, take your left foot back. Same distance is required. See, you are making 2 feet. How will you get balance? Make it long. Keep your back straight. Knee straight as of now. Now, without body going forward, you have to bend. Exhale, bend. See, the body is straight, correct? Yeah, Arun, correct. Inhale, straight. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straight. Exhale, bend. Bend the knee, that knee also. Inhale, straight. Exhale, bend. Now stay there. 1, 2, correct. 3, effort. Yeah, good, Anu here. 4, back straight. 5, inhale, straight. Exhale, walk forward. Turn to your own left side. Okay. Yeah. Now keep your feet apart. Again, 4 feet distance. 4 feet. Okay. Hands on the waist. Inhale. Sorry. Bring your hands in front, parallel to the floor. Take an inhalation. Exhale. Bend only the left knee. Left. Inhale, straight. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, straight. Exhale, left. Inhale, straight. Exhale, right. Inhale, straight. Exhale, left. Stay there. 1, 2. Try to bend the knee. 3. Other knee straight. 4, 5. Inhale, straight. Exhale, right knee bend. 1, 2, bend it. 3, 4, side lunging. 5, inhale straight. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, reduce the distance between the legs to almost 3 feet. Catch your waist, no. Exhale, turn and jump. Turning and jumping. Yeah, now sit. Sit, no falling down. I said sit, no. Yeah, keep your hands back, shake your legs. Breathe normally. All these are warm-ups. Now put your chin down. Rotate your neck. 1, 2, close your eyes. Don't frown your face. Closing the eyes only, closing, no? 3. Keep your eyes relaxed. 4. Try to tilt your neck. 5. Did you finish all the 5? Then change. 1. All the sides. 2. 3. Yeah, try to go with the numbers. 4. One more round. 5. That's it. Keep your back, no rounding. Okay, now keep your legs together. Back straight. Bring the hands in front, parallel to the floor. Straight back, straight back. Yeah, don't round it. Take an inhalation. Bhuna Manasana. Exhale, twist your body to the left. Touch your forehead on the left side. Yeah. Yeah. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Exhale to the right. So touch your forehead down. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Exhale, left. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Back straight, back straight. Exhale, right. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Sit straight. Exhale, left. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, touch your forehead. 3, rukna hai. 4, 5. Inhale, straight, hands in front. Sit straight. Arun, a little more straight in your back. Exhale to the right. Stay there also. 1, 2, push the floor. 3, take the weight on the arm. 4, 5. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Back straight. There is no choice on back. No smiling required. Exhale, hands down. Tuck your shirt. Really. Before starting, you should be ready. First thing, you are late. See, 15 minutes late. Why you are late? 15 minutes. On time. You have to come on time. No late. Lay down. Now, cycling practice. Keep your legs together. Hands on the side of your thighs. Inhale. Raise both the legs 90 degrees. Without bending the knee. Tanmay, go down and come up again. All of you lift your legs 90 degrees. Keep it 90 degrees. Don't lift your hips. Hips on the floor. Legs 90 degrees. Keep your legs together. Point your toes forward, upward. Keep your legs together. And now do cycling practice. 1, 2, do cycling. 3, 4, 5. Make big bada gola. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2. You have to move your thighs also. 3, 4. It's not just shaking your legs. 5, 6. Actual cycling. 7, 8. Keep your mouth closed. 9. Never breathe through the mouth. 10. Stop with the legs in the air. Keep your knees bent only. Keep your knees together. Knees together. Okay, good. Now, why are you putting it down, Tanmay? Keep it in the air. Keep your knees together. Now, interlock your fingers behind your head and head up with an inhalation. First, lift your head up. Arun, head up. Exhale. Touch your left elbow on the right knee. Change. Opposite side. Nothing on the floor. Tanmay, keep your legs in the air. Left side. Right side. Left side. Right side. The body should move. Left side. Right side. In the air only. left side, right side, keep touching, left side, right side, don't move your leg, body will move, Arun, left side, right side, your body has to reach the leg, left side, right side, don't move your leg, left side, right side, one more time, left side touch and right side touch. Inhale, head down, body down. Only head and body, leg and hand will remain there. Exhale, put your leg down, hand down. Okay, both hands and leg down, down. पैर साथ में रखो, हाथ नीचे रखो. Now, inhale, take the right arm over your head, bend your left leg. कैसे होता है वो शक्ति? लेफ्ट लेग कौन सा है आपका? शक्ति आपका लेफ्ट लेग कौन सा है? राइट हैंड कौन सा है? राइट हैंड और लेफ्ट लेग का मतलब क्या होता है? हाँ, राइट हैंड कौन सा है आपका? वो राइट हैंड है, वो लेग है. हाँ, राइट हैंड उठाओ, राइट हैंड. हाँ, लेफ्ट लेग बेंड करो. हाँ, हो गया. इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. हाँ, नाउ एक्सेल, टर्न टू द ग्राउंड. ऑल ऑफ यू टर्न टू द ग्राउंड. जमीन की तरफ मुड़ जाओ. Press your hands by the side of your chest. All of you, hands by the side of your chest. Inhale, come to cat position. Stand up on the knees and hands. Exhale, turn forward. All of you turn forward. आगे आगे शक्ति, वो सो रहा है आप. आगे टर्न हो जाओ. हाँ, मन किधर है? मन कहीं पे भटक रहा है. शक्ति, हाँ, इधर लेके आओ मन को. शरीर, ओनली शरीर नहीं, मन भी इधर चाहिए. Now inhale. So here you can do standing toe. Standing toe is good. Don't do sleeping because knees will pain sometimes. Now inhale, raise your left hand to the sky. Left hand, देखो वापस right hand उठाया आपने. Left hand कौन सा आपका? एकदम उठाओ. Now exhale, insert your arm between the other hand and the knee. Put your head and shoulder down. Hand on the mat. Who's that doing? Priya. Now inhale, come up. Look at your hand again. Reach it high. Exhale, insert. So the hand will be straight, okay? Hand straight. Shoulder also down. Tanmay, shoulder down. Not for this one. Keep your side of the head. Don't keep the crown. Now inhale, come up. Look at your hand. Reach it high. Exhale, insert. Push. Threading the needle. Inhale, 4. Come up. Reach it high. Exhale, insert. One more time. Inhale, 5. Stay there. 1, 2. Don't bite your lips. 3. Why biting lips? 4. Reach it. Shakti ऊपर जगह है, बहुत जगह है ऊपर के लिए. 5. Exhale, insert. Keep the hand straight on the floor. Don't bend your elbow and all. 1. Only one elbow will bend. 2. 3. Other elbow straight. 4. 5. Inhale to cat position. Cat, strong cat. उंगली कैसा ऐसा रहेगा उंगली. Don't keep your fingers closed. Mouth closed. Inhale, take the right arm up. Raise it up. Reach it. Exhale, insert. Put side of the head, Tanmay. Side. Inhale, sit up. Come up. Look at your hand. Exhale, insert. Pura. Correct. Inhale, 3. Why the legs are changing, Tanmay? Exhale, insert. Mouth closed. Smiling is not there. Inhale, 4. Don't change the other things. Exhale, fold. Mouth closed. Mouth closed. Inhale, 5. Reach your hand towards the sky. Stay there. 1. 2. Look at the hand, Anugya. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, insert. ऐसा नहीं, ये हाथ सीधा. तन्मय, घुटने के नीचे नहीं, साइड में इधर. 1, 2. Put your head down. 3. Side of your head. 4, 5. Inhale to cat position. Mouth closed. Exhale here. Now take one inhalation. Exhale, keep the elbow down, interlock your fingers. Interlock. Okay? Now inhale, lift your knees up. No, who asked you to walk back? From here, just lift your knees up. Now exhale, walk back, come to elbow plank. Elbow plank, everything straight, look forward, Arun. 1, knee now nilla. 2, look straight in front. 3, buttocks down, center position. 4, Keep your elbow shoulder distance. 5, no kneeling. 6, buttocks straight. 7, you to connect. No here. 8, normal breathing. Now, 9, 10, knee down. Press your palms, inhale, come to cat position. Exhale, lift your knees back, mountain position. Stay there. 1, good mountain, heel on the mat. AD जमीन पर, घुटना सीधा. 2, push the ground. 3, AD जमीन पर. शक्ति, AD. कौन सा AD आपका? हाँ, 4. Mouth closed, Tanmay. I don't want to hear that sound. Don't make that sound here. 5. Step forward. Both the legs. 1 step only. वही 2, 2, 3, 4, 4 स्टेप क्या है? शक्ति. किधर था मैं? इधर था ना? कैसे मैंने पैर लेके आया? 1, 2. कोशिश कीजिए. इतना टफ है ये? हाँ. 1, 2 और एक बार कीजिए. पीछे जाइए वापस. 1 step you have to walk forward. Take 1 step between the hand. हाथ के बीच में रखो एक पैर, बस. और दूसरा पैर between the hand. हाँ. Exhale. हाँ, why? Arun. हाँ. Exhale, head on the knee. Bend the body into the legs. Now inhale, stand up. Hand side से आएगा, side से. Look at your thumb. Mouth closed. Look at your thumb. Thumb किधर है? Exhale, bring the hands down. Mouth closed. I told you, no? I don't want to see teeth only. So what did we do now, Anubhya? अभी तक क्या किया हमने? See, that's what I want to hear. Okay, now what will we do now? What is next? Over today.
No.
Then?
Surya
Surya Namaskar. Samasthiti. Very good. Samasthiti aa jao. What is Samasthiti? Correct. Hands tight. So see, all the fingers straight, looking straight in front. Inhale, take the arms over your head. Long upar. Exhale to heart. Slowly. You should look nice and graceful. Close your eye. Take inhale. Oh. Mantra together. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna pavrano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Inhale, open your eyes and exhale, look nose. Where is the nose? Ideally, you're supposed to look at the nose. Don't close your eyes. नाक पे देखो, अपना ही नाक पे. Okay, बाकी सब background में रहता है, ideally. Okay, if it's very tough, you can look forward. Ekam, inhale, raise your arm, bend back. Bend backwards. 3, exhale, bend forward. Trani, inhale, left leg back, chin up. Chin goes up. Chatwari. Exhale, take the second leg. पूरा हाथ जमीन पे, उंगली कभी नहीं रहता ऐसे. Pancha, inhale, keep the knee down. Exhale, sit and fold. Don't change your hand position. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale. No, why the hand is changing? No smiling. I don't want smiling. I will go. You have to go out of the class. Keep your finger wide open. Exhale, go down to the mat. Smiling is no compromise like that. Body, Arun. Now see the toe was here, sweep it.
little away from each other.
Inhale, lift your chest. No, everything is in the air. सब हवा में है, सब कुछ हवा में है. What about your thigh? Thigh should be lifted up. Toe pointed backward.
Exhale, lift your back.
Inhale, left foot forward. बीच, हाथ के बीच में आएगा. चिन किधर है? आसमान की तरफ. आसमान किधर है? उधर. Exhale, bring the other leg forward. दोनों हाथ देखो, गैप है इसमें? कोई गैप है इधर? जोड़ दो, पूरा जोड़ दो. Head down. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up. Stretch and look back. Dwadasha, exhale. What is the first mantra? Agya. Good. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. 3. Right leg. Inhale. See the distance? पूरा बैक. ये पैर और हाथ अलाइनमेंट किधर है? तो हाथ नीचे नहीं जाएगा, पैर वहीं पे आएगा. यहाँ पे उंगली, 10 उंगली कईंड वेरल तुम्बु मात्रमदि. chin up. കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ്. Chin up. See my throat. The throat has to stretch. Chin up. Finger tip रखो, finger tip. Now exhale, other leg back. अभी इसमें कहां पे पूरा उंगली आ गया? माउंटेन नहीं है तन्मय, नहीं बकेट भी नहीं है. सेंटर नहीं, देखो, push the ground with straight arms. Chin up. Arun. Inhale, keep the knee down, thighs closed. Exhale, sit. Put your head down, forehead down, buttocks एडी पे, पैर पीछे की तरफ. शक्ति, पॉइंट योर टो बैकवर्ड. टो आपका पैर पीछे की तरफ पॉइंट करेगा. समझ में नहीं आ रहा आपको? Now inhale, come up. यहाँ पे स्टैंडिंग टो ऐसा हो गया. Exhale to the mat.
छाती किधर है? Chest has to go front of your wrist. अभी slip your toe. ऐसा हो गया.
Inhale, आगे की तरफ खींच के आना है. मेरा शरीर तो आगे आ गया ना. तो माउथ क्लोज. Point your toes backwards. Toe backward.
Exhale, lift your back.
Inhale, right leg forward. Left leg will not move. राइट कौन सा? वो राइट है अपना. मेरा तो एक ही राइट लेग है यार. अच्छी ना. स्ट्रेच किधर है? थायराइड में. छाती ऊपर. एक्सेल, ब्रिंग द अदर लेग. शरीर बेंड करो. पिकनिक के लिए नहीं आया ना? पिकनिक के लिए आया था मैं? यू केम फॉर पिकनिक? नो, बेंड योर बॉडी. नो, नी स्ट्रेट. इनहेल, स्टैंड अप, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म, बेंड बैक. बेंड पीछे की तरफ, पीछे. Exhale. What is second mantra? Om Ravaye Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. देखो, now you see this, how I am bending. Come up, all of you come up, stand up. Forward bend, आगे bend हो, मत करो. Reach. See, I'm not bending like this. Tanmay is bending like that. From here, टू नहीं है, आगे जाके आना है. Just look at it. Exhale. Reach. I don't reach it front. All of you stay like this. Reach forward. Exhale. Head down. Last में head नीचे आएगा. पहले पेट आएगा, फिर छाती आएगा, लास्ट में हेड आएगा. इनहेलिंग, लेफ्ट लेग बैक. लंबा स्टेप जाके चिन ऊपर की तरफ. पुश योर चिन अप. टेक इट अप. माउथ क्लोज. व्हाई बाइटिंग द लिप्स? वो है सूर्य नमस्कार में बाइट लिप्स में बोलता है कभी. लेफ्ट लेग बैक, बाइट योर लिप्स. ऐसा है सूर्य नमस्कार बोलता है. फिर लेफ्ट लेग बैक, हंसो ऐसा बोलता है. मैं हंसी बंद करो. मुंह बंद करो, ऊपर देखो।
एक्सेल, टेक द अदर लेग। देखो आपका गलत है हैंड, नहीं वो तो ऐसे हो गया, ऐसे सेंटर में, वाइड फिंगर, वाइड फिंगर। हाँ, स्टे स्टे, नी स्ट्रेट। इनहेल, कीप द नी डाउन। एक्सेल, सिट। ये देखो नहीं तन्मय, वो गलत है, देखो हाथ हिलता नहीं है वहां पे, हाथ ये जगह पे हाथ था, बरोबर है। नाउ इनहेल, नी डाउन। एक्सेल, ये हाथ हिलेगा नहीं। ओके, नाउ इनहेल, कम अप। नाउ एवरीबॉडी शो मी चतुरंग दंडासना। चतुरंगा कैसे करेगा? शो मी अरुण, लाइक दिस। सब कुछ हवा में, सब कुछ हवा में, सब कुछ हवा में, एवरीथिंग इन दी एल्बो क्लोज टू बॉडी, एल्बो क्लोज टू बॉडी।
स्लिप द टो, इनहेल, लिफ्ट योर अपर बॉडी। नहीं, झांक हवा में, पॉइंट योर टोज बैकवर्ड्स।
एक्सेल, लिफ्ट योर बैक।
इनहेलिंग, विच लेग विल कम नाउ अनुभव? कौन सा पैर है तीसरा राउंड में?
राइट लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट राइट है।
देन इनहेल, टेक योर लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड।
चिन किधर है? आसमान की तरफ, हाथ निकलेगा नहीं। ये टॉयलेट जा रहा है क्या? और इतना आवाज क्यों होता है? हाँ, चिन अप। नो टॉयलेट है, टॉयलेट उधर है। नो, हियर स्टैंडिंग टो। हाँ, नी डाउन, नी डाउन। या करेक्ट, हिप डाउन, चिन अप, टिप ऑफ द फिंगर जमीन पे। एक्सेल, लिफ्ट अदर लेग। पेट अंदर, बॉडी नीचे, एकदम नीचे जाइए।
Inhale, stand up, stretch your hands back.
Exhale.
What is the third mantra? Om Suryaya Namaha. One more round, last round. Ekam, inhale.
Dvi, exhale. Tani, right leg, inhale. कमर नीचे, चिन ऊपर। चतवारी, exhale. Straight body, straight body. हाथ अभी यहां से, your hand should not move. पंचा, inhale. The position is wrong. देखो यहां से inhale, आगे रखो थोड़ा सा। एक्सेल। पैर कैसा है? पैर अपना शक्ति, पैर पीछे की तरफ पॉइंट करो। पैर गलत है आपका पैर, मेरा पैर देखो पहले। पैर को उंगली किधर है? पीछे की तरफ। पूरा बटक्स को नीचे रखो, एडी पे रखो बटक्स को। स्ट्रेच योर हैंड, स्ट्रेच योर हैंड्स ऑल ऑफ यू। बटक्स डाउन, स्ट्रेच योर हैंड्स, forehead downward. Now inhale, come up on the knee. Hand should be firm. उंगली फर्म रहेगा। एक्सेल, नी chin chest. Elbow closer, Arun. See, your elbow was here. Just look at my elbow. Elbow will bend पीछे की तरफ only. I should not go bend sideways. Okay. What is this? You are lying down? No, smiling. I don't want to play. Slip your toes.
Inhale, lift your chest, come up.
पूरा शरीर ऊपर उठेगा। Mouth close. ऊपर, push. घुटना हवा में, घुटना नीचे टच नहीं करता है। पैर का उंगली पीछे की तरफ। एक्सेल, लिफ्ट योर बैक।
अभी कौन सा पैर आएगा? तन्मय।
So bring only the right leg forward between the hands. Shakti, keep the other knee down. ये इधर आना चाहिए और आगे। हाँ, 2 बार स्टेप ले लो। Inhale, chin up, chin up, chin up. ഇവിടെ ത്രോട്ട് പോരല്ലോ, നേരെ മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകും, ഐബ്രോയിലേക്ക് നോക്കൂ. Exhale, bring the other leg. Full bending, full bending. Use your body to bend. Now inhale, stand up, stretch your hands back, 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 back. Exhale.
मंत्र कौन सा है? ओम भानवे नमः. Now where is my दृष्टि? I can see tooth and my, because I cannot see you now, I can see only my nose. दृष्टि अभी तक ऐसा है। अब का नाक पे देखो। Now inhale, take your hands straight up. Exhale, bring the hands down. अभी यहां से दृष्टि हट के आगे देखिएगा, हटे होगा, इट्स लाइक दैट. नाउ अष्टांगा, ए सूर्य नमस्कार, समस्थिति. All of
Shiva,
you.
one question.
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah, Shiva, when you say that knee should be in the air, I mean, then total weight will be on the shoulders. Yeah. So, but actually, for me, that shoulder pain is there. So that's where
So
I
you
keep
can
my
do,
knee.
yeah, you can do Bhujangasana instead of that. So you are here, correct?
Yeah.
Very much this one. From here, just you can sleep your toe. Just lift your upper.
Okay. Okay.
See, my elbow is bending, but my back is arching. It's optional. You can do this much also. You find good, okay, you can come to this much. But your shoulder will get lowered a little. So you can stay here.
Yeah, I think Bhujangasana is okay for me.
Yeah, you can do that. All that is optional.
Yeah.
These are all young people. Huh? Not even half my age. Then they can do all this. Okay, then. Thank you. Ashtanga Surya Namaskara. We'll do 1 round or 2 rounds. Let's see. Samastiti. And where are you looking? Hands tight. Eyes closed, illa. Eyes open. Look at the nose. Ekam. Inhale. Take your hands up sideways. Look at your thumb. Drishti on your thumb. Abhi panchi ki tarah niche jayega. Exhale. So you have to bring your hands like a diving bird. Can all of you do it once again? Can you come up? Look at your thumb. Elbow straight. अभी जब नीचे जाएगा, हाथ फैला के एकदम पंछी की तरह आएगा. Okay? Take. Exhale. Like a flying bird, you have to come down. 3D inhale, head up. Head up, fully head up. Chin up. Look at your eyebrow. Head up, like that. Concave your back. Chatwari. Step back, exhale, go down. Not falling down. See how I'm going, just look at my speed. Okay, I was here. No, you don't do it. See how I'm going down. This is inhalation. Exhale. Did you see that? So I'm going now with control. Like that I'm going. Now try to do like that. You're falling down. Again, do all of you like that. Inhale, head up. Exhale, step back, exhale and go down. Use the strength. Pancha, inhale, lift your upper body. Sleeping toe. Shut, exhale, lift your back. Now I have to breathe 5 times here, okay? First inhalation. Exhale. 1 breath is over. Inhale. Your breathing should be audible. Two. Inhale. Exhale. Push the ground. Straighten your back. Inhale. Exhale. One more good breath. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Step forward both the legs. Only 1 step. Inhale, head up. Dono pair. Head up. Head up, Arun. Little more, head up. Concave your back. See, my head is up, stomach is down. So it's a concave back. Exhale, head on the knee. Bend the body into the knees. Now inhale, stand up, hands up, sideways. Look at your thumb drishti. Exhale, hands down, sideways. Om Khagaya Namaha. So many rounds we need now? Only 1 round. Total how many rounds? 5 rounds. Focus on 5. Now, if you want, you can relax. Again, breathing problem. Most of you breathing I cannot hear, right? No breathing. Arun is fairly good. All three, no breathing. Breathing. And then what is the use of Surya Namaskar? No use. Simply waste of time. Are you? Show me the breath. What about inhalation? You can hear me? Please, breath is audible. That is good. Now look at how I'm going to breathe now. I'll quickly show you one problem. Sorry. Sound is not on. Second. Don't do it, just observe. Now first inhalation. एक सांस खत्म हो गया. कितना हो गया तन्मय? 2 हो गया. कितना हो गया? 3. चार. कितना हो गया? 5. कितना हो गया? 5.5. How many? 6. How many? 6.5. How many? 7, no? Can you breathe like that? ऐसे breathing चाहिए. He can do, I think. Now just make that sound of breathing. Let me hear. Exhale it. Correct. Inhale it. What is that? Inhalation. It is like this. How do you learn that? How will you learn the breathing? When will you learn? I told you, every day, sit, practice, close your eyes. Breathe with that sound. ये योगा का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है. फर्स्ट थिंग इधर ब्रीथिंग. आवाज किधर से आ रहा है? This like that is not what I want. If you breathe like this, you're as if you're sitting in a car without steering. Steering नहीं है गाड़ी का. Accelerator है, brake. Steering नहीं है. Accelerate करेगा किधर भी जाएगा. हाँ चलो उधर ब्रेक करते हैं. वापस एक्सीलेट पे और कोई भी जाए. उधर ब्रेक. किधर भी जाएगा कोई कंट्रोल ही नहीं उसका. वो ब्रेक है आपका. That is like without steering, car without steering. किधर जाएगा खुदा nobody knows where it will go. You cannot traffic से चलाना है तो कैसे steering चाहिए ना. Steering है यहाँ पे steering मन में है. तो steering अगर आप बोलेगा 4 सेकंड में inhale करेगा कर सकते हैं. 15 सेकंड में inhale करेगा तो भी कर सकते हैं. वो steering wheel should be there. जब तक वो steering हाथ में पकड़ में नहीं आएगा योगा किधर जाएगा nobody knows. हाँ चलो इधर भागते हैं. चलो इधर भाग. कोई भी बोलेगा उधर भाग जाएगा. Go get that breath in the hand. Till you don't get, you cannot progress. एक ही जगह पे पड़ा रहे. Okay. Now, hands on the knee. Oh, sorry. Before that, eye rotation is there. Okay. Bring your hands on your eye. Open your eyes. Feet apart रहेगा. Now, rotate your eyes. 1. All directions. 2. हर दिशा दिखना चाहिए अपने को. 3. हर कोना कोना. 4. Look all the corners. 5. Opposite side. 1. Don't round your back. 2. Every corner try to see. 3. 4. One more round. 5. Release your hands, catch on the waist. See, everything there has to be some direction. You cannot keep like this because there is no direction for the hand. No, it has to be somewhere. It has to be ruled. Inhale, look at the nose. Exhale, look far away. One point. Don't move your head or body. Inhale, nose. Only drishti changes. Exhale, wall. Steadiness. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. You can breathe normally. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. One more time. Inhale, nose. Now stay there, normal breathing. 1, normal breath. 2, 3, naak ke andar, center mein. 5. Now look far away. 1 point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Release. Hands on the knee. Nothing else changes. बराबर है. पैर सब सही जगह पे. दूसरा कुछ चेंज करने का जरूरत ही नहीं. We'll do Uddiyana. So in Uddiyana, you have to look down. You should not look up. Okay. Otherwise, गला खराब हो जाएगा. Take inhalation. मुंह से exhale. Stomach pull. Inhale. Okay. उसके बाद 2 breaths. अभी घुटना सीधा. Straighten the knee. After exhalation, inhale नहीं है अरुण. Okay. Now inhale. Look down. Exhale. Stomach pull. Inhalation हो गया. Exhale में घुटना bend. Next is Agni Sarakya. Okay. Take inhalation. Exhale. Pumping. Inhalation. Now straighten the knee. Utna seedha. Second round. Look down. Why are you looking up? Again inhale. Exhale. Pumping. Inhalation हो गया. Exhale में bend the knee. Bend the knee. Take 2 breaths. Last round, standing Uddiyana. Inhale. Exhale. Pull and stand. Exhale, keep the hands down. Straight, straight. Turn to left. Go to left. Back side. Look straight. Hands down. Samasthiti, attention position. Now, anybody, any doubts? Okay. Take a break. Relax. Any doubts? Online or anybody? Any from your side? हाँ शक्ति कोई डाउट है? कोई डाउट नहीं है. सब क्लियर हो गया. तन्मय, no doubt. All clear. Anybody online? Any questions?
So what does the pumping do in the body?
So it activates everything inside. It massages, no? It squeezes the stomach, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. So when that action happens, even it improves the digestion, it improves the blood circulation in the liver. You're not breathing when you're doing that, right? So it's a kriya. It's one of the shat kriyas, in Hatha Yoga. So which activates the internal fire. Agni Sara Kriya. Agni means fire. Sara means essence of fire. So it's very good for entire digestive system, first importance. Also activates your pancreas because it starts moving. Generally, we don't do that, no? There is nothing that we do on the stomach otherwise, other than your Dhanurasan, jahan pe aapka pet dabta hai. So this kriya is one of the shat kriyas in Hatha Yoga, which activates all the internal organs. Anybody? Nandini, Ramya, Shreya, Sridhar, I can see all these people there online. Any queries? Otherwise, we go to standing asanas.
No, sir.
Okay. Samasthiti. देखो समस्थिति आ गया तो ऑलरेडी दैट ब्रेथ चालू हो गया मेरा. बराबर है. कीप योर चेस्ट अप. नो, सी दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. यू आर नॉट एबल टू लर्न, यू आर नॉट एबल टू पुट द माइंड टू लर्न हाउ टू ब्रीथ दैट. So you have to put your mind how to take that breathing pattern in the mind. Now step by step coming up, Parshva Konasana, Parivarta Parshva Konasana. Look straight and take an inhalation. Exhale, take your right leg out 4 feet. 4 feet, catch your waist. 4 feet रहेगा ये. आपका मैट 6 फुट है. So 4 से 4.5 feet. Exhalation. Now inhale, turn your right foot, look over the shoulder. No, body will not turn. Right foot turn ही नहीं हुआ आपका. किधर है मन? Right foot turn बोला मैंने. हाँ, ये inhalation है. No bending the knee. Now exhale, bend this knee. Right knee bend होगा. Right hand side of the right leg जाएगा. Now bend करो. Bend the knee properly. Now keep your right hand fully on the right side. Right side arrow. Okay? Full palm. Pura ungli फैलाया हुआ. Tanmay, what are you doing? Right hand on the right side. Bend the knee properly. Right hand. Why are you smiling for this? Right hand on the right side of your right leg. Pura जमीन पे दबाओ. Right side में. Bend the knee. Bend this knee. Now inhale, stretch the left arm on the left ear. कान के ऊपर, left hand. Tanmay, you look at this hand. No, you're not bending the knee. Now look at the hand. हाथ पे दृष्टि. Don't lean, Arun. You have to bend the knee 90 degrees. See your, keep your leg a little more far from that. Distance barabar nahi. Now inhale. Look at the hand. Exhale. Then I stop it, man. You sit down. You're not looking, just sit down now. You're not looking hand, leg, nothing, simply doing something here and there. Just sit straight. Observe what I'm doing. Exhale, bring the hand back. Now inhale, stand up. Look over your right shoulder. Exhale, turn your leg. Inhale, turn your left leg, look over the left shoulder. Shoulder के ऊपर दृष्टि वहां पे. Exhale, bend the left knee, keep your left hand on the left side of your left leg. Observe, don't look at my face, look at what I'm doing. Now inhale, take your right arm on the right ear. पूरा हाथ जमीन पे. Right AD हवा में नहीं उठेगा. Exhale. पैर जमीन पे, शक्ति. Inhale. पैर, पीछे वाला पैर हवा में क्यों आ गया? Exhale. Look at your hand. Inhale. हाथ पे दृष्टि, right hand पे. Exhale. पूरा left hand on the ground. Inhale. Now exhale, right hand back. कमर पे हाथ. Now inhale, stand up. Look over the shoulder. Exhale, turn forward. क्या हो रहा है वहां पे देखो. Inhale, turn to the right. Full body turn right. Full body. शरीर turn हो गया. पैर turn हो गया. Exhale, bend the knee. Keep your left hand on the right side. ऐसे twist कर. Bend the knee. Bend the knee. Keep your left armpit on the thigh. Armpit. Now inhaling, stretch the right arm. Like that, twisting the body. Inhale, look at your hand. One more breath. Look at the hand. Now, exhale, right hand back. Inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Shoulder facing that side. Exhale, turn. Where you're looking? No smile. I want you to become serious about it. It's not a time wasting this thing. You see what I'm doing. Learn from that. Now, inhale, turn to the other side. Full shoulder turn, Shakti. Full shoulder. पूरा shoulder घुमाइए. अभी भी आधा घुमाए. Don't play all these things. Stop it. Otherwise, I'll go to put you out of the class. You go back home. This is not the place to play around. ऐसे. That distance is not enough. A little more longer. Now exhale, bend the knee. Keep your right hand on the left side of your left foot. Right hand, left side of your left foot. Bend the knee. Bend. घुटना bend करो. Keep it down. Now inhale, stress the left arm. Left arm कान के ऊपर. Look at the hand. One. You do how she's doing. Do it like that. Do now. Exhale again. Inhale. This armpit should come here. Your armpit. Twist. Now stretch this hand. Stretch the left hand. No, stop smiling first. Stop smiling. Others come back. Others come back. Wait. No, first you stand up. Keep your legs away. Away. Others come back. Relax. Turn your right foot. Full body turn right. Not that much. Little reduce the distance. Little. I don't say too much. Full body turn. Exhale. Bend this knee. Keep this hand here. Bend the knee now properly first. Keep this hand here. Now inhale. Stretch your right hand. Look at this hand. Now stay there. Full day. Till 8 o'clock you have to stay like this only. Keep this hand here. Look at the hand. Bend it. Where is the strength? You have to keep this tight. Look at the hand. Exhale. Do no smiling. Look at the hand. Inhale. There is the breathing. Do again. Stretch the hand. Look at the hand. Exhale. Inhale. Now exhale, right hand back. Now inhale, stand up. Touch your waist, looking to the right. Exhale, turn. Inhale, left leg turn. Exhale, bend the knee, keep your left hand here. No, left hand. Bend the knee properly. Now bend it. Bend it. No, don't lift this. Keep this down. Bend the knee. Now inhale, stretch your right hand. Like this, rotate. Now look at the hand. Exhale. Balance, balance. Use your strength. Inhale. Bend this knee. Okay, come back. You're not putting the mind. That's the problem. No, see, I don't want these things. You have to put the mind, which leg, which hand, all that you have to see. Okay, all of you come back. Face forward. Feet together, hands tight. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Starting with your left hand. Ekam. Inhale, raise your left arm. That's the left arm. And Dvi, exhale, bend to the right. Side bending, side bending. No, not bending the knee, only your body. Exhale. Elbow bend nahi hoga, elbow straight. Keep on increasing the depth. Seat shirt has to come below the knee. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Now inhale, stand up. See the length of that inhalation. Exhale, hand down. Inhale, other hand. Full length. Now, see, when you bend to the side, the hip should go to the left. Like that. Side bending. Keep your body straight and bend. Keep your body. Bend the body. This has to bend, stretch. There is no stretch here. Now inhale. Exhale. You're following on me. You have just to stretch here. Inhale. And exhale. Look straight. And now inhale, stand up, right hand up. Either inhalation. Exhale, hand down. Ekam, inhale, bend your left leg, catch the big toe. I did not ask you to bend the body. Catch it. Other hand on the waist. No, toe, only big toe. Big toe. Stand straight. Lift your leg now. Balance on one point. Straight, no, back straight. Bend the leg up. No, you have to bend it up in front, catch it. Bend it up, straighten your back. Straighten your back. Up, lift it up. Lift your other hand on the waist. Take it up a little more. Your knee should come up. Now exhale, try to straighten the leg. ऐसा हवा में. Now straighten it. Inhale. See I'll tell you the technique. See, you lift, catch. See the level of the knee. Where is the knee came up? You lift your knee this much. Show me how to lift the knee this much. No, don't use your hand. Just lift your knee up. Don't lean. Just lift it up. Now catch the toe. Without leaning, see, you are doing like this. That's the problem. See, you're doing. I'm telling you what you're doing. You're doing like this. That's what you're doing. You have to lift your knee up, catch it. Or you catch it and straighten your back. Okay. Now, without changing the body bending, you have to straighten the leg. This much is enough. You don't have to, no, don't lean. Keep the back straight and bring the leg in front. That's all. That's enough. You don't have to take it beyond this point. अनुभव गुड. बस शरीर को बेंड करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. अगर हो सके तो ऐसा देखो. फ्रॉम हियर व्हेन यू स्ट्रेटन इट द बॉडी डजंट चेंज. करेक्ट. फ्रॉम हियर आई वाज हियर, राइट, like that. So it has to be lifted up. Try again. Uttita hasta padam gushtas. Yeah. Other leg try. Stop. I see how he's doing. Other hand on the waist. It's correct only. You're not able to get the point. See all other, hand inside your leg. Hand inside the leg. That's it. Better. Just lift it. That's it. It may not become straight. पहले आप बैक को सीधा करो. बैक को सीधा करो. ओके. बैक, योर बॉडी नीचे नहीं जाएगा, पैर ऊपर आएगा. हैंड जगह पे. Straighten it. Inhale, bend. Exhale, release. What is the name of this asana? Uttita hasta padangushtasana. All of you sit Vajrasana. Any queries? Nobody.
Sir,
Vajra.
not able to straighten it. It's okay, no? I can do only.
That's fine. That's fine. See, it will not become straight.
Can we do it with table?
Yeah, you can do that with wall support also. So if you do like this, you can do like I put my hand on the wall. Then I bend the leg, catch it. Initially, if it's not reaching, bend the knee and just catch it. Then straighten up. Then this way. See, the body doesn't bend. See,
Okay.
like this bending, that is fine. Body doesn't bend, correct? After 1 month, it will become like this. After 1 month, it will become like this. Body doesn't change. It may start here, here. So that is the travel, like this.
Okay.
It should not be like this. Gone. Back pain. I will get back pain. Guarantee back pain. See so how the thing changes. One thing is good, other thing is totally bad. It's like that. If you do the wrong method, you will get back pain. Yeah, it will pain actually here.
Sir, Parivarta Pashwakonasana, sir.
Yeah.
Tips to improve that, sir. Last time you told me one, which is to turn the feet before starting with the breathing thing, but still not able to get like the picture what you showed of Krishna Kumar today.
Yeah.
Not able to reach to that level, sir.
So another technique I will tell you now, which is a little more, but you should not lose the balance. Okay. Which side I should show? I think this. I'll show like this. Now, when I keep this hand down, what you can do is, I told you like this last class. Another trick is put the knee down and then keep this. So now my hand has crossed completely. My knee and the toe is down. But after that, when you stretch the hand, you have to come back. Like that. You got it. So what did I do now? I did this. So from here, how many of you, can you try that, all of you? Put the knee down and keep this hand on the side. So my hand has completely crossed. After doing that, careful, okay, you should not fall because you may lose the balance. Then straighten the leg, inhale, stretch the hand. Like that.
Sir, can you show this with brick also, sir?
Yeah, bricks, it's easier. Anusha, now put that heel down.
Sir,
Yeah.
in this, the back leg, the feet is at an angle, no, sir? Only one side will touch, no?
No, ideally the entire feet has to touch, including the toe and the heel. So when you do this, sorry. So the full heel and the toe, both will touch completely on the floor, this leg, back leg. both the legs. It should not lift up like this. It should be grounded.
It's not lifting like this, but it's like this. So this part is lower part is touching, this part is raised.
Little, okay, because the force is not equal, but try to keep it grounded. Yeah, try to keep it grounded. But the force will not be the same. That I agree.
And so the hand also, even when it's right hand on the left side, you have to put it like full palm down or
Full palm or bricks. See how now with the Divya asked, no? Like that. So, sorry. So if you keep the brick, then it is easy. So keep 2 bricks like this. Then same asana I can do. About 4 feet distance. It's easier. Sit, see, this is not the way to sit in a class. Exhale. Inhale. See, I'm waiting for the breath. Exhale. See, this knee is 90 degree. And you can use bricks this way, this way, this way. All are fine. Chatwari. Like that. So if you get good depth, it's always better. So I'm trying to align this arm, body and the leg. All the 3 in one line. And when you do the parivarta like this, twist the body, bring the hand here, keep the hand on the brick. So the body shifts and twists, and then inhale, press the right.
So your trunk faces up.
This side of the chest has to come up like that. So I have to try to look on my hand with my right shoulder above my left shoulder. It's not like this.
That's what.
Yeah, that twist
Your
has,
trunk twist. Yeah, okay.
see, my chest is completely out. That twist has to come. So मेरा छाती उस तरफ चला गया. Yeah, it'll come. See, it'll take some time to get there. For me also, it's not an easy asana. It's a difficult asana for me also.
Twist this.
The
arm shape is not coming.
Yeah, so that comes with, no, this asana is yes, now it's better. It's okay to keep the hand in the air and keep your armpit on the thigh. Got it? हाथ हवा में रहेगा चलेगा, लेकिन armpit को झांक पे लेके आने का कोई, yeah, बरोबर है. This is correct. Arun, that's right. Got it? You cross your hand, bring the hand crossed, keep your hand in the air and stretch this hand. That is better than doing like this. Now see that common error is this. Like this. And then stretch. Where is the twist? No twist only. The twist has to come here. The body has to twist. And then the hand has to stretch. Okay? Yeah. So that shoulder and body has to twist. Okay. Sit down. I hope I'm clear, Divya.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's a good idea to always keep the bricks on the side of your mat because you may need it anytime, correct? Now, Atho Mukha Virasana, Samastiti, Dhyana Mudra. Inhale, spread the knees apart. So how much distance it came? Mat distance. Mat ka distance पे आएगा दोनों घुटना. Okay, both the knees. Separate the knees, no. Separate it, mat distance. Now exhale, bend forward, keep your forearm on the mat. Forearm. Forearm क्या होता है? What is forearm? Your fingers till the elbow is forearm. Correct? Finger फैलाए हुए. Mat के बाहर क्यों आ गया? Go inside the mat, no. Go back. Buttocks on the heels, forearm on the floor. Now, without the body going down, inhale, stretch the arms in front. So body is not going down. Haath ko stretch kiya, lamba. Look up, look forward, look forward. So why is this required? This step, why is it required? Because, okay, anybody online or here, from here, I can directly go down like this, no? Why I am not going down? Any reason? What is the reason for this movement?
You don't punch your back.
So Sridhar is telling that. See, you don't hunch your back. See, when you go directly, the hunch comes. Here, see, all the forward bends is a travel front, correct? So from this position, no, your elbow will be on the in front of the knee, Elbow. Forearm. Now, so I have to first inhale and lengthen the body. देखो वो length बना दिया मैंने. Inhale हो गया. Abhi exhale and see, I have to lie down between my thighs, chin on the mat, chin. So that's why I have spread my thighs, correct? And look at the eyebrow. Now, take the first inhalation. पूरा भर गया. Abhi exhale. See, all these breaths you to enjoy. Otherwise, what is the yoga? Again inhale. You're staying in a holiday, no? You'll enjoy the holiday, correct? Exhale. See, each exhalation, I'm trying to deepen my stomach. Inhale again. It's a good asana for the back. Exhale. Now, inhale, head up only. See, your hand is not at all stretching. Stop smiling. No smiling in the class. Hand stretched properly. Buttocks on the heels. Now inhale, head up, all of you. On the exhalation, the forearm which is on the mat, draw your forearm to the knee. So keeping the back there. So I was here, correct? मेरा हाथ इधर था. यहां से मैंने शरीर को वैसे ही रखे एक्सेल करते हुए दोनों एल्बो यहां पे लेके आए. That is exhalation. Now I inhale and sit up. I sit up. See, my chest came up. Because why did the chest come up? Inhale. See, I inhale. Then exhale and join the knees. See, simple asana. How many steps are there now? Okay, can you instruct me? What is inhale? First, ekam. What is ekam? Inhale. What should I do? Spread the legs. Knees. Yeah, spread the knees. Ekam. Now, what is dvi? Second step. Hand. What hand? This is hand. Hand means this is hand. What should I do with the hand? Not like this. Tell me, what should I do?
Forearms.
Keep the forearm on the mat. So ये forearm है. So I keep the forearm on the mat. I kept. Now what should I do? Third step. ये तो exhale में करना.
Forward.
Yeah.
Stretch it forward.
Sure.
Stretch your arms forward. Yeah, Anita. So I stretch the arms forward. मैंने क्या किया? लंबा किया मेरा शरीर को. And then what should I do now?
Then put your head down.
Lay down.
Put your body down. Okay. Now what is the way to come up? What should I do? Next inhalation. Inhale, lift your head up. Keeping the forearm on the floor. Then exhale. Yeah, draw the forearm and bring it to the knee. Towards the knee. That is sixth step. Now inhale and sit up.
Yeah.
Keep your hands in on your thighs. On the exhalation, join the knees. Now, inhale and sit to the left side. Sit your left side. Sit to your left side. And exhale, release the legs in front. Hands back. Shake your legs. What will happen to the eyes? Eyes, what will happen to the eyes? In Shitala Dandasana, what is the position of the eye? Is it open or closed? Closed. Your eyes are closed in Shitala Dandasana. Why the eye should be closed? Minimize the distractions. Because see, when you're resting, the eye will search for something. उधर देखेंगे, इधर देखेंगे, उधर देखेंगे. मन भटकेगा, बरोबर है? आसन करते टाइम में भटकेगा नहीं, क्योंकि दृष्टि एक जगह है. सांस पे ध्यान है, शरीर पे ध्यान है. But when you're doing nothing, what will happen? The mind will go somewhere. No reason, no. Somewhere it will go. That's why the eyes are closed. See, rishis know all these things before we started knowing about it. Samastiti. Back straight, arm straight, back straight, look straight. Open your eyes. Keep the legs together. Point your toes. Even your hands are not there, your back should be straight, like a staff. So what is pushing the floor? Are you able to feel the pressure on the bone here? There is a bone here. What is that bone called?
Doctor will know. I call it the sit bones. It's called the sit bones. There will be two sit bones here. You just put your hand and see. Put your hand on your buttocks. There will be two sit bones. Correct? Eh? There are two sit bones, no? So when you sit straight, those bones will be pressing the floor and your backbone will become straight. Now that is called sitting straight. Your chest will come up and the shoulders will become wide and you look forward. It's okay. See, it's all a journey. Nobody perfect. Me also not perfect. As long as we are making some improvement here and there, that's fine. Okay. Now, Ekam, inhaling, I have to take my left leg out 60 degree. Now, see, only that changed. Nothing else. Did I change anything? On the exhalation, take the right leg out 60 degree. Back straight. So what is angle now total? कितना हो गया? ये 60 degree, ये 60 degree. Total कितना हो गया? Huh? What is 60 plus 60? 200, huh? 60 plus 60, 200. Huh? What is 60 plus 60? 120. Huh? Now see my, you can, all people can see my side view. It's not like this. Now inhale. So here you can point your toe towards yourself. Keep your feet straight up. Don't open your legs outward. खोलिए मत पैर को सीधा रखिएगा. Now inhale, take your hands up and turn your body to the left. Left. Hands up. Back straight. Now you have to bend towards your, no, not falling down. Try to reach the body towards your left toe. Don't do this. No, this is not the place to do all that. Bend the body and try to reach your body closer to the left leg. Now look at your toe. Inhale. किधर inhalation? शक्ति, कोई सांस ही नहीं दिख रहा है. Exhale. यहाँ पे भी चलेगा लेकिन सांस में ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, now inhale, sit up, hands up. Back straight, turn your body forward. See the reach, no, see you have to reach up. Keep the leg wide and reach the body high. See my stomach went in. Mera pet andar chala gaya when I lifted my arms up. You should get that feeling of the high upward lift. On the exhale, bring the hands down. Body ko kuch hua? Kuch nahi hua. Haath niche aa gaya bas. Only the hand came down. Aapka body aisa. Sida. Now inhale, take your hands up and turn to the right. Now मेरा टारगेट है राइट लेग में, उसके लिए मैंने टर्न किया. यहां से लॉन्ग रीच रम्या, आगे रीच करके कैच द टो और wherever you can catch. I'm not saying that you have to become perfect, but I want you to travel in the correct bus. Don't take the wrong bus to reach the right place. You will not reach, no, गलत जगह पे पहुंचेगा. Now start inhaling, look at your toe. I have told you, breath is the primary factor. Now exhale. How many breaths over? Anu here? 1. Now inhale again. I am going to kiss my toe. Exhale. The target is to kiss your toe. You have to kiss your toe. How will you kiss it? You have to go forward. The target is not to bring your head on the knee. Target is to kiss the toe. So I am taking my chin and my lips closer to my toe. What is that, Satanmai? You're the only person making noise there. Now inhale again. Look at your toe. And exhale. If you want, you can just put your head down. That is immaterial actually. It just gives only a little. That's it. Now inhale. Sit up, hands up, turn forward. Reach high. Stop making sound. Now what should I do? Last one, Varun? Exhale where? Okay, exhale, put your hands down. It gives me a small break there. See, I little more widen my legs. Can you do that? Can you travel a little more? और थोड़ा जो आपका groin है और थोड़ा सामने लाइए. Groin को सामने लाइए. अच्छा distance है. Distance अच्छा है. This area is opening up. Is it pulling here? Let it pull. Let it open up. All this area is open. Now For last one, we have to go to the sunset point. It's evening, no? Sunrise, morning, I will say sunrise, okay? So I have to go to the sunset. It's a wonderful asana. Inhale, hands up. Now, what will go down first? When I'm bending forward, what will go down first? No. No.
Hands.
No. No. No, no chin, not chin.
Hands.
No.
Hands to catch the toe.
No.
Stomach.
No. Stomach means stomach is a big item. What will go first?
Navel, sir.
नेवल नेवल जाएगा पहले. वो अर्जुन को पूछा क्या दिख रहा है, मेरे को आम दिखता है, पेट दिखता है. वो बोला मेरे को आम का जो वो दिखता है ना. So first the navel, you should say my navel goes first, then the other things. So from here I bring the navel. See, this is the navel, 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 navel. So the navel comes, this opens up. The navel comes, navel comes, navel comes, navel comes, navel comes, navel comes. Hand came later. Body did not come. अभी भी navel चल रहा है. Last आ गया. अभी पेट navel touch हो गया. Then पेट touch हो गया. Then chest touch हो गया. Then head chin touch हो गया. So my target is that. It may not happen. I'm not telling that you have to do that. So from here, don't do this. This is what I want you to stop doing. From here, don't do this. From here, do this. So see, the body and the groin rolls forward from here. See how the roll has happening. This is enough for me. ये चलेगा मुझे. ये चलेगा. Can you try this much? Lift your arm up. Now bring the body forward. Roll the body front. Bring your thighs. Put your hand on your wherever possible. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward. That's it. See, he's getting it. Shakti. Look front. Exhale. Little more down. A little more down. Exhale. Okay, enough. Inhale again. Exhale. Okay, that's enough. Now inhale, sit up, hands up. Rise up, rise up, rise up. If you don't rise, you cannot roll forward. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, bring the left leg inside. Exhale, bring the right leg inside. Oh, where is it training? Okay, Samastiti. Inhale, fold both the legs to the left side. You can elevate with some bricks. It may help, yeah. Yeah, cushion also fine. Exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana. Take one inhalation, all of you. Where is the inhalation? Mouth close. Exhale. See, this sound is coming to me. Now inhale, stand up on the knee. 1 foot distance, catch your waist. So you can keep your feet together, or if you find it tough, you can keep it away, or you can do standing also. This, everything is okay. This, everything is fine. This should be away. Don't close your knee, okay? In Ushtrasana like that. कमर पे हाथ है. ये inhale में खत्म हो गया. अभी exhale करते करते back bend हो जाएगा. दोनों हाथ AD पे पकड़ेगा. Now put your head back. It is done with an exhalation. Anu, you are wonderful. Arun, no. Keep your hip forward. Yeah, push your hip forward. Keep your hand back. Don't lean. Don't lean. Keep your thighs in front. Thighs आगे. Open up your chest. पीछे पीछे की तरफ दृष्टि. Keep your teeth together. What is the name of this asana? Inhale, Ushtrasana. Good asana for lungs. See, it opens up all the ribs. Exhale. Okay, now inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Join the knees, exhale and sit down. So it's okay. Try to take longer breaths. It's a little tough because your throat is pulled. So Ujjayi sound will not be very clear, but it's possible. Okay. Now all of you keep 2 bricks. Take 2 bricks, all of you. Take 2 bricks. Those who are having bricks at home, take it. Keep your bricks side of your thighs. Now, let me see how many of you can do that. Sit Vajrasana. Now from here, challenge. Okay, it's a challenge of the day. Okay, so you have to lift your Vajrasana and cross out your legs. I'm going to show you once, then you have to do it. So keep proper distance. Okay, don't do it now. First, you observe how it's to be done. From here, lift your Vajrasana. Karo. Anugya did that. No, I did not show like that. What did I show? I was in Vajrasana like this, correct? I was in Vajrasana. What did I do? I lifted the Vajrasana and crossed out my legs. So I did not cross out before lifting. From here, no, first lift up. No, first lift up. First you lift up your Vajrasana in the air. Pick up the entire Vajrasana. No jumping. First, no fingering. I want full palm. So from here, you have to lift up your Vajrasana. Anugya, correct. Now cross out here. So lift up. Cross out. Correct. You lift up. Correct. Cross out. Correct. Keep your bricks away. Lift up your Vajrasana. Lift up. First you lift up. You can bend your body a little to lift it up. Correct. Yes. You can cross your feet and cross. Now, correct. Barabar. Now, same thing. Yeah, same thing. All of you keep your hands on the bricks. Cross your legs on your chest. Cross your legs on the chest. Okay? No, hands on the bricks. Now pick up into Vajrasana. Pick up the leg also. Now cross into Vajrasana. Come into Vajrasana. Yeah. Try it again. No. Okay. Other one. Cross it. Lift your body in the air. Buttocks in the air. Yeah. Like that only. Lift your legs. Now buttocks up. Push the ground. Push buttocks up. That only I'm telling. Do it again. Keep your bricks a little away. It can come. Lift up. Buttocks up. Like that. Okay, you did both? Yeah, good. Like that. Okay, hands back. Shake your legs. See, I am 49 years. You are how many years? 16, huh? 13. See, how many? 3 times less. So you should have strength more than me. I am getting older. After another 5 years, I cannot do this. I will become weak, no? Years passing by. 5:30. Now, let's do Setubandha and Chakrasana, both. Because we did a lot of forward. We did not do any back bend. So you have to do Setubandha and Chakrasana. So lay down. Okay, so we will do Sarvanga, Hala, Setubandha, Chakra, one sequence. Eki sequence, all the 3 things. Okay. Inhale, take the arms over your head. Keep it on the ground. Straight on the floor. Exhale, keep the legs together and point your toes forward. Together and point your toes forward. Now, inhale, lift both the legs up 90 degrees. Without bending the knee. Lift it up. No buttocks up. Buttocks on the floor only. Hips down. Exhale, bring the hands down. Bring your hands down. What is this hands down like that? Now inhaling, roll up, Sarvangasana. Lift your hips up and support it up. Exhale. Stay. Inhale. All of you stay in Sarvangasana. Now take your legs to the head side. Halasana.
Stay Halasana. One more breath. Look at the nose. Support your back. Inhale, come back, Sarvangasana. Lift up. Raise to the sky. Exhale, bring your hips down. Legs are in 90 degrees. Take one inhalation here. Now exhale, bend both the legs. Keep your feet on the mat. Keep your feet on the mat. Okay, exhalation. Inhale, keep your feet apart. Keep your feet apart. Little distance. Now exhale, catch your ankles. Did you catch it? Yeah, now inhale, lift your hips up, bridge position. Stay like a bridge. Inhale. Tall bridge. Stay there, Tanmay. Now exhale, keep your hands by the side of your ears on the floor. कान के साइड में दोनों हाथ दबा दीजिए. Now inhale, rise up, Chakrasana. Come up. Come up, rise up, Chakrasana. गर्दन नीचे की तरफ. Stay there. Stay tall. One more time. Now heels up, Chakrasana people, heels up. Exhale, come down. Relax. Leave your legs down. Inhale, exhale to the hands. Relax.
Sir, when we are going in Chakrasana,
Yeah.
where should we put our first effort on? Towards lifting our arms, or it should be lifting our hips? So we put our arms beside our ears,
Yeah.
and then our feet are apart on the ground.
Hmm.
So where should I have my first push on?
See, already your hip is high, no? In Setubandha, hip is here already.
Yes, it's high.
Now I shift my hand.
Yes.
I just have to lift my upper body, pushing the floor. That's it.
So
So
my
the-
chest is where my first push comes in.
Yes, the upper body rises up.
Upper body. Okay.
But if you're coming from here, you can
Yes.
you have to lift your hip up first and
Okay.
the upper body. Like that.
Okay.
Sir, I feel as if my upper body doesn't have strength on me. I can't lift.
No, the reason is you're not, one of the reason is the back is not allowing you to reach that force towards the ground. So you have to work on your this height first. See, yeah, what you have to do is look at my shoulder now. How I am shoulder, you should observe it. Yeah, I'm here. If I do Setubandha like this, then I will not get the height. Look at this. Now this Setubandha will not come high. So here I did not move my shoulder. Observe my Setubandha. This is wrong. From here, you see that? The shoulder, I rolled my shoulder in. It was like this. I took it in. And down. The shoulder has to rotate inward. When the shoulder rotates inward, the buttocks will go up. Like this. Now I get the height. Now the force will come here because of the height. Like that. The force will come only if the hip is high. If the hip is a little high, then the force will come on your arms. So try to get that. And when you're doing that, when you're doing this Surya Namaskara, these positions where you push the ground. So all these will strengthen the muscles, the backside trapezius muscles, all that.
So that strength is required to supplement you to lift your body in the air. Okay, so both are required. It's a blend of different things. The arch capability of the back and the strength of your upper body to push up. Both are required for doing your chakrasana.
Sir,
Yeah.
where we lift from the Vajrasana,
Yeah.
if you're not able to do it, what is it that you should start doing first?
The reason is upper body strength, core muscle strength. So that connection is not coming from you when you lift it up. So the stomach is not able to hold your legs up.
Yeah.
This muscle core, it's not able to lift that folded legs up. That is one of the reason. And overall, the upper body is not able to lift the full weight. Both has to weight. See, one is the body has to lift your upper body has to lift your body up, and then the stomach has to hold your thighs into the system like that. Correct? The leg has to be pulled up with the stomach, and the arm has to support the strength. See, all these are connected. One asanas will complement the other asana. So don't sit like this. Dangerous for your back. Sit back straight. Okay. Surya Namaskara, or Chaturanga Dandasana. Yeah, all these practices will, because I never did this, only this, to learn this. I never did that. So it will only hurt me if I do only that. It will continuously make my arms struggle, stomach struggle. That's not the way to do it. Do everything. No, it's like, no, it's a good dish. Like, no, we don't eat only rice and only sambar or something. We eat some, sabji, everything, roti is there, dal is there, curd is there, everything is there. That becomes a wholesome meal. Similarly, you have to do everything. Surya Namaskar is required, pranayama is required, standing asana, sitting asana, lying down. So when I say lift both the legs together without bending the knee, what is happening? The core muscle is building. So when we lift our legs 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, all that time, this is working. That will help me to do this asana. Like that, you have to connect. Okay.
So,
Now,
sir, even with that lifting 90 degrees, for me, it doesn't come without bending my knees. So
Yeah.
should I like bend my knees and take
Bend
it
the
up
knee.
with
Bend the knee. If it is difficult or it is hurting the back, don't keep the legs straight. You have to give time for the body to bring that strength in the system. If you force yourself too much, it will injure. You'll start developing, L3, L4, L5, all that bulging will come. Don't do that. So I find it tough. Then I have to bend my knee a little. So I'm here. So arms are over the head. Now I'm not lifting. So I lift. This is fine. So still I'm able to get some force. It is coming. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, but don't do like Tanmay doing like this and all. You're doing like that. Don't do that. So if you're not lifting, little bend the knee. Take it up, take it up, take it up. After some time, you will feel, okay, I can straighten the leg. While coming down, slowly bring it like this. Instead of forcing yourself, if you try like that, what will happen? My lower back will start paining. If that strength is there on the back, then only you have to do it, right? Otherwise, it's like putting 100 kg on a rope which can take only 10 kg. The rope will break. Don't sit like this. This is the third time I'm telling you. Sit erect. Okay, so you give it time. Yeah, a lot of time is required to get there. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Nandini.
Sir, like my hip will raise whenever like I'm doing 90 degrees. I don't know how to.
That's the same thing. I think he also the same problem. See, when you do like this, the reason is my lower back is curved. So it's like this. I'm not saying, so little curvature will be there. See, the lower back, if it is curved, when you lift your leg up, it will come only like this. Because the lower back is not straight. So when this comes, your lower back becomes erect. So what you should do is, when you stretch I said, inhale, take the arms over your head, and exhale, point your toes. When I do this, you can see there is a gap here. See this?
Yes.
There is a gap. That original shape of the backbone comes when you do this. That is why I tell, inhale, take the arms over your head, exhale and point your toes. When I do this, I am pulling the upper body up, the lower body down. So it's extending. So my spine becomes straight. Now, when I lift my leg up, see here now lower back is not touching the floor. It's not touching, not touching, not touching, not touching, not touching. Now it touched. When I take it down, your lower back lifts up a little. See, the lower back is in the air now. It's not flat like this. When this comes, the lower back touches. Here, the lower back doesn't touch. Inhaling, take the arms over your head. Exhaling, point your toes. Stretch it properly, then all that will come. Okay. Work on your back bends little more. So when your back bend comes, all this, that it will become proper. Okay. Thank you for joining. I think it's already 5:45. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good day. Bye.
Thank you.